Let's just make this viewable. All right, here is your project overview, the Multimedia Encyclopedia Project Overview. Woohoo! So basically, you are creating an article in a digital format that demonstrates something you've learned about ancient Rome of your choosing. So you will create a final product. It might be a web text, and it could be a Google Doc. It could be something similar to that. I don't know. Surprise me. Let's have fun. It could be an infographic where you have lots of data and information to share, and that's the best tool to choose. Or it could be a presentation in the format of an iMovie, a slideshow that's narrated. There's so many ideas and there's so many resources, and if you click the link here, it will take you to the Tech Tools page, and there's a video and more in-depth information about what you can pick. But this video is more about the process. So we're going to use the right process, and I didn't come up with this process. I found it in my research, but I love it, and there's references here. But basically, we're going to go through the WRITE method. You're going to pick what to write. And so as you're researching Rome, think about what you find interesting. What's relevant to you? Are you interested in architecture and engineering and you really want to learn about the Colosseum? Great. Are you really interested in government and you want to learn about the Forum? Awesome. Are you interested in fashion and you want to learn about ancient Roman hairstyles? Do it. I dare you. But it's really important to figure out what to write about. And that's the W. Then you need to research. You have to go and actually find out more information about your topic. And you're going to need more information than you think, because if you're making a video, you don't want to put together a 30-second blurb that nobody learns anything from. So go in depth. After you research, you create an initial draft. You paraphrase, you summarize your notes, you might link videos, you might create an infographic, I don't know. But you put some initial draft together so then we can discuss it in two kinds of editing. And this is a really important process because your product will be public and shareable with your community. So although it's not going to be publicly accessible for anyone on the internet, your parents, your teachers, your classmates, they're going to see it. So we're going to look at content, and that's really the depth of knowledge and the accuracy of that knowledge, as well as mechanics. And you and I both know that I struggle with what do you call it? I can't even say it. With editing, and you might too. I don't know, but it's always important to kind of go back and try to proofread. The last part of our project, which is really important, is extending to an audience. It's publishing your article in the class table of contents, which is located over here in the Multimedia's Encyclopedias page. And again, it will not be publicly shared. It's something that's safe and only accessible to people with a 5 towns email. But we are creating our own little encyclopedia set. So we'll use the right process, and you will select a product that works for you to demonstrate your learning on ancient Rome.